Hi everyone, I will show you how to create quiz or exam using the Google form. First, open your Google Drive. You can open your Google Drive using company account or an ordinary Google account. Okay, let's create a folder. Let's rename it quiz. We need to organize our quizzes. So that's we need to create a folder. So let's go inside the folder. Then let's create a new blank form of Google Forms. Okay, first thing to do is we go to the settings. Okay, so we will going to create a quiz. So we need to enable make this a quiz. Then we check or we choose later after manual review so that the student cannot see the scores they got. Then we uncheck these three checkbox. Okay,
Okay,
we're done with
next.
the quizzes tab. Now let's go to presentation tab. Now let's uncheck show link to submit another response. Why? Because this link will show after they done with the response. And then the purpose of this one is they're going to give a link that they can answer again the quiz. So we need to remove this one. Then you can also use the shuffle question order. The purpose of this one is to shuffle on every question in every student. Okay, so you can check that one if you want, but you can also uncheck the shuffle question order. Now we're done with the presentation tab. Let's go to the general. Okay, here we can collect email address from our student. Then we can send them a response receipt. And then you click always. So every time they done, they're going to have or they can get an email, they can get a response receipt that they're done with the exam or quiz. Now, let's uncheck this one, restrict to user in our organization. So let's limit to one response so that the student cannot repeat to answer again the quiz. Then leave it as is, do not check. Okay, so we're done with the settings. So, okay, let's save it. Okay, we're done saving the settings of our Google form. Now, let's rename our title of our quiz or exam. So let's say this is a diagnostic test. Okay, now here, this is the first question. Then you can choose what kind of question do you want? It can be a short answer, a paragraph, it can be a multiple choice, it can be a checkbox, or it can be a drop down. Then you can also you can show or upload a file, but usually in exam we use paragraph. Then we also use short answer, multiple choice, and checkbox. So now I show you how to use the multiple choice. And you can see here, there's already answer key and then 0 points. Now, first, let me show you sample question. Okay, this is a multiple choice. So let's say this is letter A. So B, C, and B. Okay, we are now done creating our question and choices. Now, next is we need to put the correct answer. So the correct answer here is B. Then let's put a point. So this is 2 points. Then click done. Now don't forget to put as required so that the student cannot miss any question on your test. Okay, we're done creating our quiz. So hope you understand how to create quiz or test using Google Form. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.